everybody, here to do some ground combat of yogic arts. Check it out. You're going to start with a tiger pose, crouching tiger. Oh, stretch your back out. Finger stand, up, fingers up. Ready? And then we're going to come up on our feet, on our toes like that. And stretch, stretch, stretch. And then from here, hand goes down there. And then from there, we're going to kick one leg out to the back and all the way up. And then we're going to bring it into the chest and up. We're going to do that a series of times. Ground combat. Believe it or not, this is part of the series from our Baby and Me in KiDo Kids Yoga. Baby and Me, where the infant is literally lying here and the parent can do these amazing exercises in the class. That's the beginning. And we do that a series of times, and then we're going to lift, 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 like that. And then the next part is where we're going to bring our hip up and bring our knee in like this and out. In and out. And when we go out, go ahead and stretch it up. And do that a series of times, as many as you want, and then lift, 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 lift. Now the last one in this series, and then I'm going to have you guys do the other side on your own, is where we come to the front, over and over again, parallel with the ground, up and back, forward, up and back. Now by this time, it's probably burning pretty good. Up and back. And then when you feel like you can't go anymore on that side, lift, 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 like that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then when you're done with that, you come up and you push down to one side, not going all the way to the ground, but the opposite side, reaching the opposite way, and then the other side too. Oh, feels so good. So do both sides. Do it over and over as many times as you want. It's going to build really strong legs, gluteal muscles, hip flexors. And from there, I'll be posting more videos with workouts. So summertime, yay! Love you guys. Keep working out. Keep working out. I joined the gym. I started swimming almost every day with my husband and doing some new dance choreography. So let's see how that goes. Okay, love you all. Mwah.